Well, hello there, friend. Hey, thanks so much for stopping by. Thanks for hanging out. Andrew Najera here at Drew Installs Hardware. Today we're going to be installing a LCN 4040XP, and I'm going to be showing you how to install it with the reduced torque in a wood door when you're using the SRT screws. You just saw me there closing the back check valve. Here you see me powering this closer down all the way, and I take it back 3 turns just because that's kind of a normal thing I do. I take it all the way down, then give it 3 turns back, and that helps me stay within the 5 pounds pressure allowed for non-fire rated doors. For the most part, that works good for me. And I'm opening up the screw pack here, and they supplied me with SRT screws, self-framing and tapping screws. Oh, dropped one. Pick it up there. But it's an SRT screw, self-framing, self-tapping screw. And I'm installing it in a wood door, though, and it says for installation in a wood door, install with reduced torque. Okay? So reduce installation torque if using SRT screws in a wood door. Well, what does that really mean? Well, that's a wood screw right there. That's one I just had on my cart, and you can see those threads are a lot coarser, kind of deeper angle, and compared to the SRT, which is a little bit finer and shallower. So how do I use the SRT screw in a wood door? Well, I'll show you what I do, and if you find anything different or if you find a better way, let me know. But that's what we're doing here. So I'm going to continue to build the closer here on the bench on top of my cart. I'm going to put the arm on, and for some reason, I think I built this backwards, because I think I'm trying to remember which swing of the door is that I'm doing here. Did I build this one backwards or not? Let me see. Well, no, I'm getting rid of the impact. That's good. You got to get rid of the impact if you're going to reduce the torque, because an impact driver has really high torque, right? So I'm going to put my number 3 tip and shaft into my drill. I'm going to change it from the drill function to the clutch, where the clutch is engaged, right? So even if the clutch is engaged at the maximum there, it is going to be less than what the impact is. I built that backward. Did I build it backwards? I think I did. Come on, bro. Come on, dude. Let's try that again, my guy. Let's see. But here, watch this. So I put that screw in with the impact, and look what happened. It ripped the the tip out of my screw gun because the impact force was too much, right? So that's it's a really good demonstration of how there's different torques here, right? So the impact's super high torque, and yep, that looks better. That looks better, Drew. Let's do it that way, my guy. Yes, sir. This is real world installation. Okay, so put that screw back in. Now your closer is built right. Now let's install it and put that tip. Those are those SRT screws. And so we're going to use 4 SRT screws with reduced torque installation by putting it in our drill gun and engaging the clutch. And let's see if I can get... I tried to do that wrong a couple times. Okay. But yeah, so it's not on the drill setting, it's not on the hammer setting, but it's on the screw setting. It's at the maximum screw setting, but And I'm just, I guess, I'm just showing that it's over torqued already. Like, it doesn't try to turn it any more than that top screw's already turned in, because it got turned in with an impact. And so we're going to install these SRT screws with less force, with less torque, because we're going to use them with the drill, with the clutch engaged. So let's see how this goes. I'm going to line those up. And here we go. Come on, Drew. You got this. I believe in you. We believe in you. All right. Send it home. Okay. Send her home. And so you can see how that's a lot of a reduced torque from using the impact driver. The impact driver would tighten that thing, and then it would continue to spin it and just ream out all those, all the threading into the wood. And so I'm just double checking it with my screwdriver, because in a sense, you're almost doing it like hand tight with a screwdriver. You could also just use the screwdriver. You don't have to use a gun. And that would be reduced torque as well, wouldn't it? So anyway, I've got the reduced torque SRT screws installed in the wood door, and I'm going to put the SRT screws into the metal frame now with the impact, because I don't have to use reduced torque there. And this is going to be a really good installation. It's going to last for a really long time. And this closer is one of the best in the business, so this closer is going to work well for years and years to come for this school. And I love installing these. These closers are just the best. And if I had to choose a closer to use on any job, I'd choose this one. So, yeah, that's how you install a closer with reduced torque with SRT screws and a wood door. So catch you next time.